PUNCH is the polarimeter to unify the corona and heliosphere. PUNCH was developed here at Southwest Research Institute. With PUNCH, we're trying to understand the corona of the sun and the solar wind which fills the solar system and washes over the planets, including ours, as parts of a single unified system. PUNCH has 4 spacecraft that are each about the size of a large suitcase. The reason there are 4 is we want to collect a lot of images. The only way that we could get the field of view we wanted was to make the instrument as big as the planet itself so that we could look outward in all directions. So we had to divide the instrument across multiple spacecraft that we could spread out around the planet. So we have a narrow field imager that looks close to the sun, and we have 3 wide field imagers that look out to 45 degrees away. But they're very deeply baffled. They remove all but 1 billionth of the sunlight that impacts the instrument. PUNCH is a research mission. We're trying to understand how the solar wind forms and propagates across the solar system. But we will be able to track space storms or coronal mass ejections in 3 dimensions as they cross the solar system from the sun toward the Earth. This is critical for forecasting, and we hope to revolutionize space weather forecasting in the same way that geosynchronous satellites revolutionized weather forecasting on Earth. PUNCH is designed to image the solar wind and space weather effects as they propagate across the solar system. But the solar wind is not the brightest thing in the field of view. For example, the star field is 1,000 times brighter. So in the course of collecting our data, we will produce the most comprehensive polarized star map ever made, for the fact that we're going to make invisible things visible. We're bathed in the solar wind. This is a wide field camera that's examining astrophysical things that are happening right here where we live.